Puppies. They started to walk about, if you notice.
Oh, look at my fingers.
Reacting.
Whoa.
Starting to bond as well, which is good.
Oh, roll over.
Oh, they're starting to bark. Oh, hold on a bit. That's his party trick. Yeah. Bit difficult with wires, bars and things, but yeah.
Puppy.
There they are, look, they're responding. You can see and hear everything now. Mum's out again, like normal. There you are, a yapperoo. What's his name? Junior, I think, is he barking at somebody else? Young Junior. He wants to get their eyes open and ears open. They get on their feet and they're off. Oh, I hope it's still feeding ears at the moment. They're all on the bottle. Yeah, they're in a bit of fuss, is he? Yeah. That's how they respond. Yeah. I can sit and watch these all day.
Hi.
Let me eat your face.
Eat my face.
Oh, you're being brave. Charlotte's being brave now, putting her head in.
Where's the categories?
You're talking to Charlotte.
Where's the categories? I gotta go. Oh, I got kitties.
There's only one girl. I think she's down the middle one there, I think, the girl. The rest are all boys. She's slightly outnumbered. So the fun stage starting now. And they get active.
Oh, I got my cheek.
Yeah, I think you've got your chin's a big nipple. On your nose.
My nose. Oh, my nose. Oh, cheeky baby.
Junior's having a good lick.
Oh,
Do you want me to wash this morning, Charlotte?
I won't need to wash.
No need for a wash this morning.
Oh, yes.
These down here have gone to sleep, I think. Going back to sleep, they are.
Oh, I got my cheek. Oh, dear. Oh.
Oh, they are big babies.
Puppy. Oh, puppy. Puppy.
I think what else can I do?
You coming? You coming?
They're going back to sleep, I think.
Hiya.
Oh, not Junior.
Puppy.
Once they get over that board, we'll have to make pen bigger when they can reach over it. They extend the pen.
Hi. Thank you.
Well, there you go. Coco's pup day. Oh, shriek. Oh, shrieked.
Trying to lick my face, aren't you? Oh.
I think she's got food. Probably smell food.
Hello. Are you coming?
Yeah, they're just starting to try and walk about.
Hello.
They're wobbly, but they're not wobbly for long.
Oh dear. Get my head out.
There you go then. See you on the next one.